At Avaada, quality is controlled at every stage of manufacturing. It starts with incoming quality control, where raw materials are checked through supplier audits, cell testing, peel testing, moisture, GSM, and transmittivity validation. Then comes in-process quality control with 4 times EL testing, 9 times visual inspections, and stage-wise audits to catch deviations early. Before dispatch, outgoing quality control verifies every module through 100% dispatch inspection, vehicle checks, and road and handling validation. And finally, FQC use AI-based inspection, pre- and post-EL validation, TS and OBA checks, and AAA plus Sun simulator testing. That's how Avaada reduces risk, improves consistency, and builds confidence into every module before it reaches site. That's how quality is built into every stage. Avaada solar modules, engineered for decades of performance.